This is 2015, question 1b, a train of length 66.5, travelling with uniform acceleration 4/7, meets another train length 91, travelling parallel track opposite direction. So it looks like this. We have a train going, let's say it's going in this direction, and meets another train coming in the opposite direction, 66.5 and 91. So we have the acceleration of both and the speeds as well, 18 and 24. So let's look at the first train. A is 4/7, U is 18, and what's going to happen here, the time's taken for the trains to pass each other, so it's going to look like this. The top train will be here, the bottom train will be here, so they'll have traveled their combined distance. So we can say that S of A plus S of B will be equal to 91 plus 66.5, which is 157.5. So let's work the distance traveled by both. So S of A is equal to UT plus half AT squared. So we're going to have 18T plus a half by 4/7 by T squared, which is equal to 18T plus, that will be 2T squared over 7. Distance traveled by B will be 24T. This 24T plus a half A, which is 8/7 by T squared. So the distance traveled by B is 24T plus 4T squared over 7. And if I add A and B together, I'm going to get 42T, 18T plus 24, 42T. And I'm going to get 2T squared plus 4T squared, that's 6T squared over 7. That will be equal to 157.5. If I multiply everything by 7 and divide by 6, so 67 divided by 6, that will get rid of the fraction. Does that work for me? 42 divided by 6 is 7 by 7, 49T, plus that will get rid of the 6 and the 7, T squared, and that will be minus, it's going to give 183.75. Quadratic formula maybe here, T squared plus 49T minus 183.75 gives a positive and a negative, won't it? So let's see what the positive answer here is. I'm just going to type in the minus B, plus or minus, well, it's going to have to be the plus version of the square root of B squared, 49 squared. So just going to type into my calculator, and you can see minus 4AC is going to give a plus 4. There's no point in putting in the A, which is 1, so just put in the 183.75, and I hit equals, and it's giving me an even 7, and then I need to divide by 2A, or 2 times 1, so I get 3.5 exactly here for the time taken for the trains to pass each other. Part 2, we're asked to find the distance between the trains 1 second later, so that's T is equal to 4.5, and we have the distance down here for A and B, so just sub in 4.5, nice easy question, and T is equal to 4.5, the distance travelled by A, so you can see this is a calculator, use 18 by 4.5 plus 2 by 4.5 squared over 7, and double check your answer just to make sure you get the same thing twice. This is giving me 86.7857. I'll take 79, I'll round it off to 2 here, and then the distance traveled by B is going to be 24 by 4.5 plus 4 by 4.5 squared over 7. Again, double check your answer. It's giving me 119.57, 119 0.57, so that one's going in that direction. That one is going in that direction. We flip them around now, but the distance traveled, or the distance between them, will be their combined distance traveled minus the distance of the trains, which was, what do we get, 157.5. So that's going to give me 48.86 meters.